We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down.
That's right, ring the alarm, the boss is in the building. Make room for one of the hottest, trending, most talked about, poppin' and no stopping female MCs and her signature WAP pump by Casadei, gracing the airwaves, runways, and now the house of Shoeperfly. That's right. Right here, right now, from the world of WAP, it's a Shoeperfly premiere featuring Cardi B's Wet and Gushy Blade Jungle Love pumps from the high-end world of Casadei, where shoes are created for a dynamic woman with sophisticated glamour. If you're wanting dynamic, then subscribe to my channel and get more. Let's go! Why premiere, you may ask? Why the Casadei Blade Jungle Love, you may ask? Well, for one, it is the official Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion WAP music video shoe. If you're like the millions of others who've had a chance to witness the Wet and Gushy, then you know what I'm talking about. Cardi can be seen in an entirely leopard print room flanked by leopards wearing a custom mugler thong bodysuit detailed also in matching leopard print with the long sleeved look designed with cutouts giving way for Cardi's matching nipple covers. And you guessed it, these leopard print Casadei pumps. While not a video for the weak at heart in any capacity, no sir, from risky to risque, sultry to seductive, frolicky to fashionable, the 4-minute WAP anthem has turned heads in every which direction it can. From the AON Keys' wicked beat, the stunning cameos by Normani, Rosalia, Sukiani, Ruby Rose, Mulatto, and Kylie Jenner. Yes, also in the Blade Jungle Love, but high boot. To Cardi and Megan's erotic dance move, waterfall of X-rated lyrics, and yup, high fashion looks. Whether you like the song or not, think it's degrading or demeaning of women is a whole nother matter altogether, as there's just no denying the cultural impact in WAP's display of female sexuality. Not to mention iconic fashion moments. Female empowerment in full beast mode, devoid of any apology, is all I gotta say. Kicking aside pending litigations, felony indictments, gunshot wounds, and crude social media onslaughts, Cardi B bogarted her way back from a lengthy hiatus with partner in crime Megan Thee Stallion, a la Thelma and Louise. but steering stilettos, sashaying their way through only as bosses do in Casadei heels, holding it DOWN. Not only did Cardi blaze us with her Blade Jungle Loves, she also blazed us with a #1 debut on Billboard Hot 100 with a first week record of 93 million streams. Did you hear me? 93 million streams. And everyone from conservatives, traditionalists, journalists, Twitter, and fashion critics have WAP on the brain. But we're not here to talk sex. We're here to talk the Casadei Blade Jungle Love pumps. Oh, and I know you likey, right? I've been holding off bringing you a heel, trying to get most, if not all, of the current 2020 trends out of the way as the year nears its end. But some of you have been asking for a banger. And my darlings, my beautiful little darlings out there, who am I to disappoint? The Jungle Love here with material in the color Leo is the exact same Casadei that Cardi B is wearing in her WAP video. Offered in colors Clementine, Poison, Emerald, Amber, and Fall in Love. Fall in Love. That's a color. Exclusively at Casadei and on its website, Casadei.com, for $750 US, excluding shipping and handling. Sorry, there is currently no store in the US of A. The heels are patent leather with 3D print in pop colors, creating the 70s British dandy pop effect, which is cheeky, bizarre, eccentric, yet refined, spanning from pop colors to classic wild animal motifs, such as these, with a rock twist. You know, think of the cultural phenomenon of the British invasion, like David Bowie, the Beatles, and Rolling Stones. A perfect balance between femininity and design. The blade pumps are recognizable by the iconic blade heel with a blade sharp stainless steel cord that blends into the upper part of the shoe. The classic shape of the iconic blade pump becomes more cheeky and playful for women who are not afraid to take center stage. From fashion to music and film, Casadei creations give the outfits of stars a glamorous allure that makes them unique. Such as Jennifer Lopez when she wore the cherry blossom Casadei Blade during her appearance and hosting of Saturday Night Live last year, or when Cardi B made money moves in her Casadei Blade pumps at the 2019 BeautyCon New York Festival. The Blade Jungle Love Leo here in a size 8.5, specifically size 38.5 based on the designer's Italian sizing system. The Jungle Love Leo is 100% made in Italy and features the famous blade heel in stainless steel with 115 millimeter, 4.5 inch, 10 millimeter, 0.4 inch concealed platform. Need I say it? Need I say it? Of course I do, because this is the house of Shoeperfly. These are one hot damn pair of Shoeperfly shoes. Let me repeat it. These are one hot damn pair of Shoeperfly shoes. A definite must buy, 100% certifiable. It takes a sexy MF with glamour to a whole nother level to pull these babies off. So if you got your sexy and your glamour, then you're a perfect match. Although narrow as hell, let me just say, restricting any inside foot movement. There's no wiggling in these babies, and requiring a posture perfect stance as the arch. You see that arch? The arch. You see that arch? They for real, for real. I am taken aback though by how solid this heel is when walking and how boss they look on. While Cardi did these babies some serious justice in her video, no way does it compare to having them on your own 2 feet. Seeing them all the way live is required to fully appreciate these babies, but having them on is a must love. It's a must. Now, breaking in these heels, breaking in heels like these are a process which require a few wears around the house to loosen them up before trekking out and strutting your stuff for the masses. So based on my minimal wear of these mamas, before having to commit full out shoeicide, given the narrow fit of these and knowing that my feet will hurt until they're broken in, my only serious complaint is the wear on the bottom of the shoe. You see that? This is the wear on the bottom of the shoe after only 15 minutes outside. So I strongly recommend you purchasing the crystal clear sole stickers for protection, but not those ugly black ones. The ones that are really for the red bottoms and Jimmy Choos and are slip-on resistant, costing about $13 on Amazon.com. They'll cover this to prevent any damage to the bottom of the shoe, as well as allow the shoe to still be pretty on the bottom with it being clear. And I also recommend these little taps replacing the bottom of the heel once they start to show wear and tear. Anywho, I love the Blades heel and the Leo design, as well as the exclusiveness of the brand and all that the brand has to offer. It takes a special kind of woman to wear these because you just can't wear anything with them. This is red carpet material. This is a special date night, a very special date night type of shoe. So here's an up close look at the Casadei Jungle Love. Also breaking the bank, your bank, my bank, continuing her WAP legacy by releasing a range of official WAP merch. The 18-piece capsule of hot girl swag includes raincoats, umbrellas, matching sets of bike shorts and crop tops, cropped and relaxed tees, airbrush crew necks, sweatshirts and matching sweats, and a loungewear set. Shoppers can cop the merch at CardiBofficial.com. You heard me? CardiBofficial.com to access the WAP store. Prices range from $25 to $125. Cardi, I see you. I see you. From one East Coaster to another, I salute your grind. And welcome back. Welcome back. And to all of you, thanks for joining me for this special premiere of the Cardi B Jungle Love Leo. I appreciate you so much and will keep up my own grind delivering the styles, news, and reviews of shoes that you love. Subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you can get a notification each and every time I post. Ciao!